Vanakkam, Krishna McKenzie. Today I started work with a colleague Anshul on how do we start farming in such a way as to really connect the consumer to where his food is coming from. Because all the mechanism, the system of industrialization and distributing that food through transport and shops is falling apart, as is becoming well known. So the normal way of farming of a monocrop and just selling it for a certain price, getting in a shop and getting a markup and getting a profit, that doesn't work anymore. We have to start looking at the crops for their nutritional value. So that implies exploring permaculture. So today we started to draw out a 1/4 acre field and what that would look like. So it looks like hedges with sundakai and papayas and gliricidia and tapioca and drumstick, and then also things like agati spinach and haldi and pineapples. And it looks like where we allow plants like tudavali, which is very, very good for respiration and super taste in the rasam, and things like the manatakali and the clitoria ternatia to be part of a system, along with things like eggplants and crops like ragi behind us, with intercropped with tapioca and papayas and bananas. Of course, there's tur dal as well, and there are gourds like bottle gourd and snake gourd and long beans. There is a diversity. Diversity is the very foundation of well-being in the soil, in the life of the soil, but then the expression of that life in a field is diverse. And that diversity is nutrition. And that diverse nutrition is what's needed for a healthy, diverse society. So for a farmer to start doing this, he's going to need a little bit of inspiration, and that's what we've started working on today. So I'm just sharing with you that this is in the process. I think it's basically a guide to start permacultural ideas in South India. So I will stay posted, keep you posted, and share with you more of this later. Take care. Thank you very much.